Mana mapodo tenore gi mano en Obila mago kwach kich otimo nonro ne ndek kalapapla mar Jaod bura ma Pokot South David Pkosing e paw ndeke ma Wilson ma ibiro bango kwach kich dayo dhog Jaod bura no ero kuom thuolo mar ndalo ariyo mokalo e wiseyo mag konyo jokuoge mag Germany ma bendo osebedo ka sando jodak e counties ma West Pokot. Ketho ma Pkosing ne okwedo. Okil mare Danston Omari oyango Pekson no ero, kata kamano owacho ni ndege no timoga tije mopogore gi ma itudego.
Purpose for today's session was to come and see the helicopter, the one that is in question. We came in the morning, we were cleared, we went to the airside. The DCI officers were able to look at the chopper. They took photographs, they took whatever details they were to take, and then they said they're going to compile their own report on that. But what we can say authoritatively is that there is no white chopper. Mheshimiwa's chopper is white and green. It's a chopper that he uses for his own personal use and also for business. And its movement and everything can be tracked. So we have no worries at all. There have been a number of allegations. What we have been told, the initial allegations were about him bonding the 7 boys who were herders, who were arrested and taken to Kitale court. And then subsequently there is an issue of him either benefiting or financing cattle rustling. Those are the issues. They talked something about money laundering. So those are the issues. But they say there are a number of allegations.